Hey y'all, welcome back to Dixie Customs. Today we're working on our Chevy C60 wrecker. Well, we put a master cylinder and we self-bled the brakes, but due to a bad SD card in the camera, I lost footage of that. So, this video is going to start out with us trying to see if it'll crank and see if it'll stop. So, stay tuned. Alright, now that we're both back with fresh batteries, we'll continue on.
We still got oil. We're going to pour a little bit of gas down in the carburetor. See if we can't make it light off. It's going to be ornery.
Now there is a block in front of the tire back there if you do try to move it.
Yeah, I'm just move it out of the way. Let me get on the hole. That wasn't doing much, it was dry rottage.
I think that's the same one you ran over last time.
Yeah.
It didn't stop it.
Why? What do y'all think is going to happen?
Oh, listen to the plane.
The plane. Set my gas over here. I guess pour
Got
a
his
little bit right
turbo whining.
Alright. Now got your fingers crossed.
Crossed.
I'm gonna find no unfriendlies in here with you.
Goodness, it's getting cold. Thank God. Need some air in the front tire.
I consider that success.
You backed into the little black wrecker. Slightly.
Nah, that'll be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to do a Willie Run video on that one too, don't we?
We do. It'll be coming up soon.
Yeah, stay tuned. Well, let's get up here and get this tire seen about before it gets too dark, and let's get in the road. Gotta get my battery back.
So we're not driving this one today. We just wanted to get the brakes done. Get that
out of the way.
one truck at a time.
It cost me a whole bunch of dimes.
Definitely. Oh, cool. So it stopped pretty good, huh?
Yeah, every time I match the brake.
Nice.
That's pretty cool. So the little sub-bleeding thing worked. Now we gotta get this little sub-bleeding thing to stop.
to the shop eventually, one piece at a time. It was used to haul some stuff over here when we moved from Georgia to Tennessee. So the back of it's used to store some stuff, as you can see. And it's got a Colorado tag on it from 2003. I'll show you the front of it in just a minute after they get these hooked up. He's pulling forward. Chevy Spartan. So we're going to get it up to Tennessee eventually. Start on it. Not sure what the plan is for it, but it's a cool truck. As you can see, Jason's got some cool ones over there under the carport. We'll get over here and look at the truck.
I'll move it up there later on.
Do the black stain or is it
That's burnt motor oil out of that Mike truck. That's why it looks
So it's got a Colorado tag on the front too.
The diesel oil, diesel oil out of like a car or
Got some cool patina on it. Awesome color. Still has the decal on the door.
This is built when I was like 12.
Something lumber dealers. Del Norte or Del Norte, Colorado. That's cool. I didn't even realize it still had that on the door. We'll have to find out what his plans are for this one. We'll get over here and see if they can get this axle unloaded real quick. Video of this one that moved the Peterbilt truck
This was a potato truck from Colorado. And it had a big wooden bed on the back of it that was rotten with a carriage in it. It spit the potatoes off.
Yeah, on the door it said lumber, some kind of lumber company.
Yeah.
So it was a lumber company and
then
a
a spud
potato.
truck.
Yeah.
But we found a Dodge service truck that I thought about buying and putting this cab on it and name it Spud Wrench. Because it'd be a service truck for the wrench part and it'd be a spud truck for the cab part. Ha ha ha.
Haha. So we came here last night, didn't bring the GoPro, and both of our phones' storage is full, so I couldn't even take a picture or video. So that's why the other two axles were already hanging off of this wrecker, because we couldn't video it last night. But the exhaust made my eyes burn all night long, so that's how strong it is.
She ain't no new girl. I mean, you know. This is the rear end of a Big Bird.
Oh, you're taking it too?
Might as well. Big Bird
over here and show you the Mac. Alright, so here it is. The old Mac. This was last tag on the front of it is 1990. That's the year we started dating. Got to keep that tag. So he wants to get it hauled up there to the shop so we can start working on it too. We'd love to get this one back in the road. And it is a B61 Mac. His granddaddy was a diesel mechanic. Drove 18-wheelers, wreckers, any and everything, just like Thomas does, or has. So, it's a very cool truck here. He's gonna take it for a spin around the yard. Didn't turn sharp enough. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna get it back around here and park it for today. Well, he may be using it to put the Spartan back. I think that's what he's gonna do.